Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for Friday. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it and discuss. First, IVVD jumping 41% and testing a major resistance at the moment around the $2.63. This one could be really good for today because if it broke this level around the $3.63 and hold this current support, though $2.21, we're gonna have the $3.13 at least for today. The bottom for it is around the 186, but the best case scenario is holding over the $2.21. XPON have earnings yesterday after hours. So for today, we need to continue to hold over the 160 to confirm another buyers to break the $1.89 and go toward the $2.21. So the $1.89 is the resistance and profit taken. After that, the second profit taken is $2.22. If we pull back, I will watch for entry around this dip over the $1.36 and exit should be around the 156. WTO, on the other hand, have a huge resistance at the moment around the 4 cent or just below the 5 cents. Current support, we have two. The first one is the 3 cent and the second one is around the 2 cent. If we broke the 4 cent, we have the 5 cent and almost the 7 cent for WTO, which is one of the top gainer, almost 100% for today. EPWK, we have a support for it that we might reverse from is around the 45, 0.45, and the current resistance right now is around 7 cents that we should break to go toward almost the 10 cent. Lastly, CYCU did great job yesterday, guys, of jumping up and have at least double top around the $5.50. So if we broke this level, we're gonna have the $7.17. So the $7.37 is the current resistant and profit taken for CYCU. And the other support for it is the 10 and the bottom is around the $3 exactly. Open is pulling back just below our resistance that we discussed yesterday, the 960. So today we should watch for the $7.70 or around the $7.43. Yes, $7.43 could be a good support reversal for Oven. Oven have a split coming up 31 to 30 on Tuesday. Next Tuesday, next week. So that's why we have a little bit of pullback before this split for the next week. If we held the 743, would be great for a reversal here to go toward the 11 and beyond. This is it for now, guys. We're gonna do a major update a few 1 hour or 1 hour and a half from now to confirm the watch list and the stock that we trade in for today. Thank you for watching and see you in a bit.